Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some planner accessories that I purchased from Planned and Proper. I'm going to also share with you some inserts that I purchased off of Etsy as I prepare to build out my Louis Vuitton 3-ring agenda. And last but not least, I'm going to be sharing a quick update that I'm going to implement for our family in regards to our budget planning. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, but first things first, before we get into the unboxing, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. So let's hop into it. I already opened this box. This is from Planned and Proper. So in it comes nicely packaged. Their packaging is always really nice. I'll share with you their card. Also, if you're interested in purchasing their planner or any of the accessories that you see here in this video, I will leave a link in the description box with my promo code for you to be able to save some money on these items. So make sure that you go and check it out. It does come with the shred. I purchased a few of the sets that includes a pen and a bookmark. So some of these items will be my Mother's Day gift items, and then some other gifts that I will share with just some friends of mine. So here is the first set. So hopefully you can see it. And this bookmark is a coffee lover bookmark. So hopefully the lighting is doing it justice. And I will open this one. This one I'm keeping for myself. A few of the others will be gifts, as I mentioned before. So this has really nice weight to it, guys. It is so beautiful. So it is a hanging bookmark, and it comes with the clip. Yep. All right, I'll take it off the paper. You'll see more of this when I do my Plan With Me videos and when I start setting up my Louis Vuitton planner, because I purchased this specifically for the planner. And then you have an ink pen. It slides out of the box. Oh, this has a really nice weight to it. I don't like flimsy pens because I am rough when it comes to writing utensils. It has a twist. It's a beautiful light blue and then dark blue. So that is set number 1. Set number 2 comes with the coffee mug that says Calm. The other one says Coffee Lover. And then this comes with the pink and the navy color blue. I'll open it so the light doesn't reflect. On the back, really nice branding where it says Planned and Proper. Hopefully you can see that. And this bookmark, similar, nice weight to it, nice and sturdy. It doesn't look like something that you have to baby or anything that would scratch easily or tarnish. Now granted, it's not real gold, but nice weight to it and a really beautiful bookmark. I purchased quite a few sets. I don't even remember, y'all, how many I purchased, but This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I purchased 5 different sets. And this particular bookmark didn't come as a set. It was just the bookmark. The directions on the back, and it states, clip bookmark on the back cover of your planner, book, or journal. Enjoy. And then if you want to follow them on Instagram, it is @plans&proper. While you're there, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is Coach D_the_career mom. So this one, as I stated, they are a stack of books. Try not to get my nails in the picture because they need to be done. So this is the bookmark that has the stack of books. On the back, it just says Planned and Proper with their logo. And then this is the bookmark. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'll clip it back on the paper that it came with in the packaging. So this is my first unboxing. The second is some inserts that I purchased off Etsy. And the sticker shop that I purchased from is The Fabulous Planner. And you can find them online as well. There's a thank you card. I always love the thank you cards that come with small business purchases. It says, thank you for your order. Every time you buy from a small business, you are supporting a dream. So make sure that you check out The Fabulous Planner's small sister company. You can, on Etsy, you could probably use a discount code, but make today happen. I'm not sure if they would want me to share the discount code with purchase, but nonetheless, go check them out. And this is the Fabulous Planner box, a monthly subscription box. So new themes every month. That came in the packaging as well. And then I purchased a set of their inserts. So the first one is Passport. Has the LV luggage inspired decor. This one, the stack with the shoe, stack of planners. I love this one. Reminds me so much of myself and my work. And this one, the next one, and the last one. So these are handmade. You can tell they were hole punched, but really nice weight to it. I don't know if you can hear that, but it does have a nice weight to it, but it's not so stiff that it will be bulky in your planner. So I like this. So I don't know if it's a need for me to put them back in the right order. So I do plan to use these in my Louis Vuitton agenda. So I believe this will be the right size for the 3-ring agenda, and I was just pulling off kind of the excess that stuck with it during production. Last but not least, I was able to get my hands on a Dave Ramsay envelope system for the cash method if you budget plan that way. And potentially I will do a little bit of cash envelope budgeting in the near future. So this will come in handy. Again, you can find budget envelopes on Etsy as well from small shops if you want to support a small shop. So this is the envelope system, and it gives you some instructions on how to use it to document your spending and then any other payments that you want to track. So it has the tracker inside. I'm not real sure. To me, this looks like a wallet. I think when I picked this item, oh, it has a nice closure. Really strong magnet. I think when I picked this item, I thought that it would be actual envelopes, individual envelopes inside. But I guess it's more so a tracker, not necessarily actual cash envelopes. Because I mean, it has a side for cards, but to me it looks like a pretty standard envelope. I mean, a pretty standard wallet with card slots, and then you have kind of a standard pocket there, a pen, and then I guess this could be an additional pocket, but it's holding on to the little notebook thing. And then here, there's another space that could be a pocket, and on the back, it has a coin pocket, a coin section, I'm assuming. But this looks like a pretty standard wallet, not necessarily a envelope system. Or maybe I envisioned something different than what this is. But nonetheless, I have this to potentially maybe swap out my wallet. My wallet has been through some things, so maybe I'll give this a try for a little while since it already has the section in it for me to track the spending. We do a lot of transactions in a month. We are a large family. So hey, if you're new and you didn't know that about me, we are a family of 5, and it includes 3 small children. So out and about, we may do Chick-fil-A runs every now and again, or make little small purchases from the Dollar Tree as, you know, trinkets and rewards for the kids. And then we are very active as a family. So I say all that to say I could easily see myself exhausting this entire envelope. Oh, guys, look. I guess you had to flip it. There's the envelope. So it is similar to what I envisioned, I guess, now that I've discovered that there's actual envelopes here. So you can put your cash in there. So this is a true cash envelope system. But even still, so what that means is this is one. So this is one system or one category. So if this is food, for example, you would put the money in here and you would track the spending here, or maybe this is kind of optional too if you want to use cards, but you would track the spend here as well as here. And again, even still, I could see us going through the entirety of this in 1 month. So I wonder if they offer refills out on their website. I haven't checked. I do know, like I said before, there are other shops that I've seen on Etsy or small businesses who make cash envelopes that may be a bit more fitting for me personally, because I'm not sure I would go in and write down everything every time, because I also use an Excel template in addition to my paper planner for budget planning. But nonetheless, if you're interested in a cash envelope system, this does have actual envelopes for you to put your cash in. So this is available, or find something similar. But like I said, I'll start doing a little bit more cash-based transaction or tracking for budgeting. We have some new goals that we are saving up for, in addition to the goals that I set at the start of the year. So if you watch my 2021 annual budget plan with me video, then you already know what some of those goals are, but we have a few additional goals to tack on to that as well. So stay tuned for a budget review or budget update video for me in terms of our 2021 annual budget. But make sure that you hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by June, and I really hope you can help me with that goal. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. Bye for now.